Okay, how to learn anything technical these days? For example, I bought this board, okay, and I don't know how to create projects on it, how to go about creating. I can't even think of projects. So, how can you learn? If you learn by doing, how can you do if you don't know what to do? Okay, let me show you something. You come to projecti.in, okay, just stay with me. You come to projecti.in, you go to generate. Browse the library is there, but that contains all the pre-generated projects. So you go to generate, okay. You type here what you want to learn. Let's say embedded systems. I want to learn this board is STM32. I will just type that. Bare metal programming with STM32 Nucleo F446RE. I hope that's correct. So you can select any model that you want. Okay, there are 4 providers: Grok, OpenAI, Google Gemini, Anthropic. I love Claude, so I'm just gonna stick with Claude Sonnet 4.6 because it's cheaper than Opus and does the work. Okay, so I'll just generate. Okay, this is gonna take some time, so we just wait. All right, I think it is done. So I can see GPIO based digital dice roller. Okay, what is this? A hardware digital dice roller that displays random number 1 to 6 on 6 LEDs in a dot matrix pattern. When push button is pressed, user interact with physical. This actually seems really good, but I don't know if I'll have 6 LEDs. I can have 6 LEDs, right? They're not put for 6 LEDs. This is a good project actually. We can learn at least the basics of it. So you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead. Actually, I can see another one also. URT serial command shell, a lightweight interactive shell that accepts text command over URT PC, terminal, putty, and execute actions such as toggling LED, reading pin states, echoing messages, develop. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and try this. Okay, GPIO based digital dice roller. So I'm just gonna select and build. Okay, now the project is ready. That took about 3 minutes. Okay, so before we start the project, let's just go through the project, right? What you'll be building, the same thing that we saw, right? What you learn GPIO input output register manipulation in bare metal C, software debouncing techniques for that for mechanical switches, using TIM peripheral free running counters as entropy source. I am not sure what that is. Hopefully we will learn what that is. Okay, so first step is hardware setup and wiring. Okay, so basically this platform is one project, then multiple steps, and each step is into multiple tasks, right? So hardware setup has about 7 tasks. Okay, so once we start the project, we will go through each task one by one. Okay, and total the project has 9 steps. Okay, ready? Let's start the project. Okay, project started. You're not working on GPIO based digital dice roll. I can't say dice. Shit. Okay, so identify safe GPIO pins. That is the first task. I'll just go through all this, okay? But I want to show you how you can deal with it when you are stuck, okay? When you don't understand something. Like, I think most of the things I won't understand because I'm really new to embedded. So, what you can do, you can come here and click on this button. Otherwise, you can just, for in my case, it will be command plus slash. You can see here, right? Command slash. But in your Windows or Linux machine, it will be different. So I will just press command slash and it will open a side panel where I can ask questions to either same or different based on how simple or complex the question is. You can select different models to ask the question. So this is how you'll go about learning anything that you want. Okay, I genuinely built this because this is something I would use very often because I love learning, and plus I am going into a territory that I have never experienced, that is electronics, embedded, and so many things. So I really think this website can help me a lot, and try it out and let me know if this can help you as well. Okay, chalo, I'll see you next time. Give this a try. Let me know your thoughts. You can reach out to me on Instagram. You can comment down this video. I'll be really glad to help you out, to hear your thoughts, to make changes if you need on this website. I have been working my ass off to revamp this website, and I really think this is somewhat at a very stable state. So let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next one.